In today's video, I'll show you how to recover a disabled Instagram account, more so to those who appealed for the review but they did not access back their account. I'll walk you through a different method to access back your disabled accounts without a selfie video verification. Before we begin, ensure your Instagram app is updated and you're not logged into any account. With that being said, let's dive in. So now to begin, open your browser that you normally use. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser. Now here on the search bar, just type in Instagram account disabled, as you can see. Then you click on enter. So now select the very first link, disabled Instagram account. And now land on this help center page. Scroll down. Then click on this link that says visit this page. Now the next step, you need to identify your Instagram account. Now to do so, you need to submit either your username, phone number or email. So I'll submit my Instagram username. Then click on next. So now you need to choose a way to recover your Instagram account. So I'll choose WhatsApp, then select next. So now a code will be sent to your WhatsApp. So copy that code and submit it here. Then click on confirm. So now I'll be prompted to create a new strong password for your Instagram account. So create that strong password for your account, and by doing that, you'll be able to recover your disabled Instagram account. So if you found this guide useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video.